Hi you guys, I'm back with another quick unboxing. So this is what I got in the mail. It's freaking cool. Look at this. This is just amazing artwork. This is from dbrand. It's a decal or a sticker for your laptop. Their tagline is, it's not a product, it's a culture. And this is cool, you know. Do not bend, they didn't. Let's go ahead and open it up, right? Pull tab. I'm excited. I waited 3 weeks for this. That's it, you guys. I got two little pieces. Now, and oh yeah, I got it with the little apple cut out. And this is marble. And I got the bottom piece also. It's printed on 3M sticker and nice little cleaning wipe. I like this versus a case, because the case I had before in other laptops, and the problem with the cases is that I break them. They don't last, and I gotta get another one. And not only that, like there's lots of gunk and stuff gets in there, dust, and it's just dirty. I prefer this decal because really I just don't want this to get scuffed up, you know. And so I think, in my opinion, the decals and stickers are a better option. They definitely won't protect you from bangs or drops. For little dings, I think it does a good job. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this and try to put it on right now. I mean, it should just bam, stick on, right? Everything worked out on this back end, and then it kind of sucks. You probably can't tell, but the little Apple logo has two little cracks, but the back looks nice. Am I gonna replace the front? Nah, I'm gonna deal with it, live with it. It looks nice, and it matches my AirPods Pro case. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. The marble though on this compared to the website, it doesn't justify it. This is not as marble-ish as, let's say, this case. Like there's more color into it, more marble. This is like very faded marble, and not, it looks kind of blurry. And so would I recommend going back with dbrand and getting another skin decal? And no, the answer is no. The reason is that it took 3 weeks to get this shipped, and though it came in a beautiful packaging, I think the print quality is not that good. What do I mean by that? I mean, look at this print quality here. Absolutely different color and absolutely different skin, but look, this skin, the quality on this is great. Quality on this, not so much. It looks a little blurry, you know, and for the price that you're paying, I can't recommend it. Thanks for watching and watching me be disappointed with something. It's always fun. But like and subscribe, and maybe next time I won't be disappointed. Thank you. Bye.